currency carry trade. Currency carry trade. Currency carry trade. Okay. So this figure will explain you. Okay. See, every country will have a currency. We discussed most important currencies. Okay. US dollar. The most important currencies, hard currencies are US dollar, Euro for the Eurozone region. Then Japan yen. For China, Chinese yuan. Then UK, it has even though pound sterling. Okay. Then Australian dollar. Then Swedish krona. Then Swiss franc, etc. Okay. So try to understand that. Okay. Japan economy for the last few years, for a long time. Okay. Their economy is almost their interest rate in that economy is very low. Sometimes it has even gone to negative level. You can't even imagine, okay, where if you deposit money in the bank, they will cut the money. Means you should not deposit in the bank, you should spend it. That is the aim behind the monetary policy of Japan, Japanese central bank. If you keep money in if it is having a negative interest rate, okay, if you deposit money in your bank will cut, instead of giving you interest, they will cut interest. Why you are keeping it in the money in the bank? Anyway, I am not going to that, okay. So, for a long period, countries like Japan, there are some countries where the interest rate is very, very low. And countries like India, the interest rate is quite high. But I am not taking India here. I am taking two currencies, Australian currency, that is Australian dollar, and Japanese currency, Japanese yen. Okay. So, what is this carry trade is all about? It is basically a trade in currency. It is a currency carry trade. What is currency? Sometimes it is called as carry trade. Sometimes even it is called as yen carry trade. Yen. Because always this yen is there. What is the specialty of yen? In that, yen is the currency of Japan, and in Japan there is very low interest rate is there. Okay. So, see that this is what it is showing. Very low interest rate. And in Australia, Australian dollar, the interest rate is very high. It means that the government securities, if you invest in government securities, you borrow money from Japan and invest in government securities like in India, they will get a better return. Okay. So, the money from Japan, why Japan? Because in Japan there is low interest rate. You take money, you take currency from an area where low interest regime is there and invest in a country where there is high interest regime. This trade, so they will make a profit, this interest difference is what is called as foreign exchange carry trade or currency carry trade. Okay. Normally it is also called by the name yen carry trade because yen, it's always will be there as the funding currency. Why? Because there is low interest rate in Japan compared to any other economies. Okay. So, what is currency carry trade? Investors sell a certain currency. They will sell a certain currency with a relatively low interest rate. They will sell a certain currency with a relatively lower interest rate and use that fund to purchase. They will sell it here and that money will be used to purchase a different currency yielding a higher interest rate. This trade is what is called as currency carry trade. Currency carry trade. They can ask you questions, conceptual questions. Okay. So, this is another concept related with, especially related with module 4, exchange rate system. We are learning many concepts. Okay. Now, these things will come when it comes as a current affair, it will become easy for you. Okay. So, carry trade is clear. What we do? We, like an investor, sell the currency. For example, whoever invests, normally a Japanese citizen or whoever will be, who is there in that country or that they holding that currency. See, I told you, we have a foreign exchange market. We have a what? Foreign exchange market. Okay. So, this can be used through foreign exchange market.